feet, a veil that couldn't hide those blue eyes. Your daddy walked you up to me, everybody stood as you passed by. Been dreaming of this moment, waiting on the day when I look at you and say, I choose you for the rest of my life. Every day I'll remain right by your side. I'm the boy who won the world, 'cause somehow you're the girl standing here in front of me tonight, dressed in white. From that first date at the coffee shop, nothing else had ever felt so right. And your smile is always near